Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the ad showing on our Facebook account using ad preferences. Log into the Facebook. On homepage, we can find different kind of ads each time we log in to our Facebook account. Sometimes these ads may be interesting and useful to us, and many of the times we may be irritated by some ads. Normally, Facebook shows these ads depending on our activity on Facebook, such as liking a page or clicking on ads we see, or depending on personal information like our age, gender, our location, devices we use to access Facebook, and the websites we visited using our email address. We can adjust which ads to be visible on our Facebook homepage. If you want to know why Facebook is showing a specific kind of these ads, click on three dots next to that ad, and in the options click on why am I seeing this ad. Then Facebook will open a new window to show the information about this ad, and it is showing the conditions. Click on arrowhead next to the reason to view more information. If you want to hide all ads from this advertiser, simply click on hide. Also, we can adjust what ads we like to see on our Facebook. For that, click on down arrow showing on top right. From the drop down option, select to settings and privacy. In this, come to settings. Scroll down and in the left column, choose ads. In advertisers tab, we can view the list of all the ad sources. To hide a specific ad source, just click on hide ads next to that ad. After this, we can't find the ads from Vedant Supercoders on our Facebook homepage. Again, in future, if you want to see the ads from these websites, click on undo. And to manage the ad topics, choose add topics in left column. Then it will open manage ad topics. If you want to see fewer ads about the topics showing here, just click on see fewer next to the topic so that we can view the fewer ads about this topic on our home page. After this, come to ad settings, and here we can learn more about ad preferences. Below we can manage the data, use it to show us ads. Like this, we can adjust the ads showing on our Facebook homepage using ad preferences. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.